How would a young person hear you out and say, I want to start real estate?
I've told them, the problem we have in Nigeria is that you need to think collaboration.
Partnership.
Good.
You need to think partnership. When it comes to real estate, 10 women can come together and do big things. And that's my plan. I've come to also dominate the men. Yes, so women should come together and do big things. So just imagine 5 of us come together. 10 million here, 10 million here, 10 million here, 10 million here. What my 10 million cannot do, our 60 million can do.
It.
So goes to 1 million, goes to 500. The first investment I did in Lagos was collaboration, was my idea. That's why I set up something for the students. And I told the students, you must collaborate. Some of them said, for me to give you certificates, you go and collaborate with other students. I know that some of you have a lot of money to stand alone. No, there's a culture I want to build for collaboration. Because when we collaborate, we fight ourselves. Do you understand? So if we want peace, then we must collaborate. So me and her, we are doing business today. How will we fight? Because if we fight and burn the place down, we all lose. So it will even bring unity. So
you want to work fast,
that's the way to go about it. First of all, if you can't stand alone, collaborate. Then if you cannot collaborate, train on sales. A lot of people want this service. They don't know who to talk to. You have your word. Everybody has their own. The people that know me might not know you. I'll be trying to meet you. But she was on your wall.
Do the networking.
There's networking. Do you understand? So
connection.
That's the way to. You must open your mind. Nigerians like ownership. I'm the owner. I want to own her. Who cares?
It's not our fault.
No,
we will be the head and not the tail. Every day everybody's praying the prayer. Who will not be the tail?
No, but we can all be head.
Yeah.
We can have 20 champions together under one umbrella. And we'll do bigger things. We will not need to go to the bank. If we all put our monies together, we will not need to go to the bank. And that is giving us more profit.
Yes.
Than one person going to the bank. You are going to the bank. At the end of the day, we can't pay.